Suppose I will match blue. Blue. I match, but you have to do very fastly.
Only one side you matched, yes or no?
Yes.
But one full layer not matching.
Yes.
So first we have to check middle one.
Middle one matched.
Yes.
Here red orange is there. Then check where is red. This is matched. Here red is there. This should come here.
Okay.
So do down.
Okay.
Then like this. Then put here. Then do down. Then do like this. Then matched.
Yes.
Here also matched. But here not matched. Check where it is. Then down is there. Then do down. Then like this. Matched. Then check corners.
Yes. Now we have to check corner blocks.
Yes. This one is not matched. Then check where it is. These two are not matched. Remember these colors. This color is orange and white. Orange and white. This should come here, means like this you do, like this and like this. Has came. Then next.
So like that you have to match all the corners.
Yes.
So fast match.
Then see next corner. That is here. That white and red. White and red. This should come here. Like this, like this, like this. This matched.
Next.
Next,
Do it first.
This is not matched. It is not there. So this empty one, this should come this, then it will match. I will show you. Yes, it is matched.
Now show the full layer whether it is matched or not. First layer.
First layer matched.
Show slowly.
Orange matched. White matched. Then red matched. And yellow also matched.
Okay.
Now look at down layer. Look at down layer. Green. Look at down color. Down color is green. Where green is not there, you have to check. Here red and yellow is there. First match yellow. To yellow only. Red is there. Red will there right side or left side.
Check which side it is.
It is left side. Then it is there left side. You have to, this one you have to turn right side. Like this. Then you have to do down side. Then you do like this. Like this. Then you match here. Then it will match. Yes, it is matched. Okay. Again check. Here. Here. Match again to. I match to white. It will there.
What is there downside?
Red color.
Show me.
Red color.
Okay.
Here. White color is. It is there here. Then I did like this. It matched to white. Then red will the right side or left side. It is the left side.
Right side.
Right side. Then you have to turn this one you have to turn at left. Then do down. Then again you do like this. Then do. Then match to this. Yes, this full match. Let's check. Here not match. Here green is there.
So we should not take.
Okay. Here also there. Here not there. So match to white. White is there.
What is there bottom?
Bottom is orange.
Show me.
Orange. Then turn like this.
Because
Here orange is left side. Then turn right side. Down. Then
back.
back. Then this you do again upside. Then you do like this. Like this. All colors are matched. Second layer. So I finished.
Yes.
2 layers are matched. Now turn like this. Look at here. Either dot will come, either L will come, either line will come, either plus will come. You have to apply one formula.
Yes. See, anything can come. You have to apply formula until you get plus. If already plus is there, then no need.
No need.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now let us do that one. Okay?
Okay.
You know that formula?
Yes.
కొంచెం ముందట కానీ ఇంకా
Apply this formula. F.
clockwise,
R.
upside,
U.
left side,
R.
downside,
U.
right side,
F.
anti-clockwise. Rotate. You know how to rotate?
Yes.
Ah.
Same rule. Apply same rule till plus came. It did not came. It came L. It came L. It came L. Then again you apply.
But before that, you should tell how to hold it.
We have to hold like this. Don't hold like this. It is wrong. You hold like this. Okay? Then apply. Up. Line came. Line. This, it will come like this. We have to keep like this.
Horizontal.
Yes. Then apply. Plus came.
Yes.
Then do under here 2 match. We have to do. We will do like this. 2 will match.
Show me.
Here, like
Ah.
here and here.
Ah.
One side here, then one side here.
Yes. So the two matching you should keep like
Here,
one is back side, one is
left side.
Now what you have to do? We have to apply the another formula
Yes.
so that all the 4 sides center will match.
Center should be matched.
Here
All
now only two centers are matching. Yes or no?
Yes.
Other sides are not matching. Show me once.
Two centers are matching.
Okay.
Then I will. Okay. This formula R.
Up.
U.
Right side 2 times. Sorry, left side 2 times.
R.
Down.
U.
Right side once.
R.
Up.
U.
Right.
R.
Down.
U.
Right.
Rule now. Just now only I explained. Okay. All are matched.
Show properly.
All are matched.
Okay. Now you have to look at corners.
Yes. Which corner is correct? This is not correct. This is not correct.
You have to check correct position. Okay.
Okay.
Which is correct?
Here no one is correct. This is matched.
That is correct means how do you keep that one?
Here. I will keep here and match.
Right side top.
Right side top I will keep match one.
Then you have to apply the formula.
Yes.
Okay. Wait. First you have to explain formula. No. Wait.
Apply this formula. L.
Up.
U.
Left side.
R.
Up side.
U.
Right side.
L.
Down side.
U.
Left side.
R.
Down side.
U.
Right side.
Just now I explained. Okay.
Now check corner position is right or not.
This matched.
Show.
This matched.
Okay.
Here yellow, red, green. Okay.
Correct position.
Yes.
But not matching. Yes.
Yes. It is also matching. Yes. This also matching.
No, not matching. They are at right positions.
Right positions.
But you have to match them. Yes or no?
Then apply.
The last formula we should apply. Okay.
Anywhere you apply.
But to apply that formula you should not hold like that. One which is matching should be at left side top.
Left side top.
Like this in left side. This.
And final formula. Apply this formula. Add.
Down.
D.
Left side.
R.
Up.
D.
Right word.
Then match one you keep here.
Left side top.
Yes. Then you apply last and final.
Yes. Okay, apply.
First down layer, then like this. Then like this, matched.
Now. You should rotate only top layer.
Only.
Now.
Okay.
Apply the same rule.
Yes. This is not matched. Yes, it is matched. Yes, I did it.
Yes, very good. So this is the way we can match all the 6 sides of a Rubik's cube.
Rubik's cube.
3 cross 3 Rubik's cube.
3 cross
3 Rubik's cube.
3 Rubik's cubes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Watch my videos.
Watch my videos.
Subscribe my channel.
Subscribe our channel.
Thank you.